January the 14th, 2018. We got Frost, Jack Frost, nipping at your nose. But you know what? We're about to go out and do about 7 yards. All right, guys, coming and due to the cold, can't start the mower. It's always a good idea to put your mower on a charger overnight, especially if you're gonna use it the very next day. We forgot to do it, so there's the problem. And the choke is not going down. Hold on, D, don't break it. Let's go. We're gonna have to leave it. All right, here we are, Quick Cutz. Early July 14th. It's about 35 degrees. Hadn't pulled the truck out in a while. We got it out of the storage. It did crank up, no problem. But now we're gonna check to see if the mower crank.
First stop is see if this key will unlock this lock and if the lock is frozen. Yes, then 2 weeks this has been cranked.
And what we're doing is we're going to give you a quick tip on how to earn some money during the winter months. And that quick tip is Task Easy. Tell them something about Task Easy, D.
Well, Task Easy is an app, and on this app you sign up with them, and they will send you out to different, probably mostly bank-owned homes. Keep those yards maintained during the summer periods while those homes are vacant.
Well, no. Anytime it's vacant, but the thing is that what we're saying is in the winter months, when your customers don't want you cutting their yard in the winter months, because it's January the 14th. It's 32 degrees outside, and we out, making sure that the bank-owned homes, or it's also property management companies' homes, are manicured and they still look pristine because they want to rent these places out, right, or they want to sell the place. So they want to make sure that someone goes by it, visit it on a regular, make sure everything's maintained. Now you're not gonna make a lot of money on these homes.
Right.
That's not what it is. But it keeps you busy in the winter months, and you'll get a few a week.
Right. Keeps your equipment functioning properly as well. Gives you a purpose to make sure you start it up, crank it, run it around, keep it going, keep it circulating.
Yep. So I encourage you guys to look into that app. Now, I will use it as a backup to what you're already doing with your customer and clientele. So that's what we're doing in order to grow our business and to be out here at 30, well, it ain't 30 below, but definitely freezing temperatures, cutting grass.
Grass frozen solid, ground frozen solid.
Yeah, it is kind of solid. All right, y'all, we're gonna come back with some more tips.